Today, we're going to be helping our patient Anthony achieve his SMILE goal by a procedure called FP1 implant dentistry, which is a bone-sparing procedure that involves removing the remaining teeth that are failing, placing in 6 implants in guided position, contouring the bone and using 3D printed bridges, and then keeping it as one piece while we suture his own gum line up to that. And then in 3 months, we segment it up and make just traditional zirconia bridges that never have to be removed.
This is something I really, really wanted. I haven't smiled the way I wanted to smile for years on end. I can't even count how many years it is. When I woke up afterward and he showed me the first picture of it, I just couldn't believe it was me because I actually been dealing with bad teeth for at least 10 years now. I realized that this is for me. And I believed in it because once you wake up, you look like a totally new person. And it just makes you feel amazing. It makes you feel like the ball is in your court for a change. I felt like a new person. I just can't believe that he was able to actually do all this in one day.
I open up the margins of the hole so that way the prosthetic can fit over the implants. We use core flow to close that up and then take the prosthetic out so I can finish filling all the holes around it for a secure fit.
I remember walking in depressed a little bit, like, hey, I don't want to show my teeth, but oh my goodness, I just wanted to tell my story that I just went through it. And if I could do it, any person can do it.
I give him back the prosthetic. He checks it, make sure everything fits correctly, make sure it's smooth, it's not going to poke the patient. He just screws them in and makes sure everything fits perfect.
I'm one day after and I feel like $1 million. Oh my goodness. I've been more relaxed, I've been more happy, I've been more confident in myself. I honestly cannot believe that he was able to actually fix my mouth. It's like I won the lottery. It's like I won a lottery and my number came out and I got it.
Visit vitalitydentalarts.com.